Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I just left work today. It's Friday. You know what that means. I get to leave work early. And I am in need of getting my nails done. As you guys saw in the last video, we had a little mini winter storm, so I rescheduled my nail appointment until a week out. And I'm finally going to get my nails done, and I'm so excited because they look crazy. They were holding on so well for 5 weeks. I think this is a new record for me ever having nails this long. This happened like 2 hours ago when I was like picking at them. But for 5 weeks, I don't think I've ever had nails this long ever in my life. They usually last between 2 to 3.5 weeks. So yeah, going back to the same lady, Laura. So after getting my nails done, I'm just gonna go home. I want to redo my makeup for tonight because we're actually having a little work outing at my boss's kids restaurant. Her kids just recently opened up a new restaurant in her city where she lives, and so she invited the team to go to the restaurant for like a post late Christmas holiday gathering. And so we're doing that tonight, and Alexander's coming with me. He's more excited than I am. I'm a little nervous because I just, you know, going out with people that you work with that you don't really talk to, granted they're really sweet, really nice people, but it's just you never really talk to them. It's just all surface level. It's a little nerve-wracking, if you guys know what I mean. So I'm just a little bit nervous, but hey, free food. Here are my nails. I'm filming on my phone because I feel like you can see the little shimmers in them, but I thought this would be perfect transitioning into February, you know, like Valentine's Day. So this is like a pinky mauvey lavenderish color, and I really like it. It's so pretty. I am home now. The dogs are outside. I am so hungry. I didn't eat lunch today, just saving my stomach for dinner, but Alexander did go to Costco a few days earlier and got this huge bag of jalapeno ranch ruffles. And when he texted me, he was like, hey, do you want jalapeno ranch or original ruffles? I was like, jalapeno. I didn't know it was jalapeno ranch. I thought he meant either jalapeno, ranch, or original. I've never had this before, but I'm hungry, and hopefully it is good because it's a huge bag. I'm just gonna open it up and try it. It smells promising. Let's just try one. It's good. One more, big one. Has a nice little heat at the end. This might be too spicy for Alexander. It's really good. Alright, I just wanted to try it out and see if I like it or not. But let's go ahead and wipe this off. Put on a fresh, clean face, and I'll be right back. Alright, makeup is all done. Probably looks the same as before. Just want to have like a fresh face of makeup, not be super oily. And then I also just did my hair wavy for tonight, you know, just to look somewhat presentable because I never do anything with my hair. But I do have like 30 minutes to 40 minutes left to kill, and which gives me lots of time. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my makeup brushes because it's been a long overdue. I think the last time I washed my makeup brushes was before Thanksgiving. Typically range around every 6 weeks for washing my makeup brushes. I know it's not the best, but I know people who go longer. I used to be that person that will go months and months without washing, but it should be quick. Newman's like, what about me? You look so cute over there. Hey, Newman. All right, boys. Out. Out. My mom does. No dogs allowed in mom's room. Alexander is almost home. It took me like 6 minutes to wash my makeup brushes, by the way. So it was really quick. I am wearing the same outfit that I wore to work today. I just threw it back on. But I did add this necklace that Lucine got me for Christmas, this cute little charm necklace. I've been wearing it quite often since getting it. I just love it. It's so dainty and cute, and it's perfect. So thank you, Lucine. I really love my Christmas gift. Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking my makeup, but anyways, I'm just like looking at myself. Oh, he's home. I hear him. He's coming in. All right, guys, it should be fun tonight. I'll see what I can film, get a little bit of clips of our food, the lake, the restaurant, the vibes. We are back home. I am so tired. It's 11:15. It took us 50 minutes to get there and 45 minutes to get home, so it's quite a drive. Didn't really film anything. All you saw was just my food. The Cajun pasta I got with chicken, spinach, zucchini, and bell peppers was pretty good. A little bit awkward, so I was just really glad that Alexander was there. I was mainly chatting with my boss. She was the one that I was sitting next to. I don't really talk to anybody else on the team. It's very like hi and bye, and if they need me to do something, I'll do it, but we never really actually like sat and talk and have like conversations. So I was just gravitating towards talking to my boss because like she's the only one I talk to at work. But nonetheless, it was fun. Got to meet her kids, her grandkids. Since it was dark out, couldn't see the lake, but you know, during the day I'm sure it's very beautiful. I am so tired. I am ready to just hop back in the shower, do a quick body rinse, remove this makeup again, and lay in bed and sleep. I'm ready to pass out. So I'll check back in with you guys in the morning. Literally just got out of bed to sit here and continue this vlog. I am so tired. Didn't sleep until like a little after midnight. Much needed sleep. I mean, I feel like I could sleep for an extra hour or two if I wanted to, but my body is like telling me to wake up. And I'm like, we got things to do today. Also, how do you guys like this moo-moo? This cute hearts moo-moo for Valentine's, because it's coming up. Please just excuse how I look. This is how I look. This is what like Alexander wakes up to every day. Very frightening. I need to sweep and vacuum the house, and then I need to go to HEB, do a grocery run. That's the only thing I'm doing today, is stepping out to get groceries. And then I'm gonna make some tacos at home. I've never made tacos at home before. Like the simple one, you know, just ground beef with taco seasoning. And I'll come home and make tacos for dinner for Alexander and I. My mom is gone this weekend. She went down to Houston for a friend's wedding. So it's gonna be a very, very chill weekend, much needed. Let's get the day started. It's 9:30. I know HEB gets a little hectic on weekends too, and it is a drive. So let's go. Let's fix what's going on right here. All right, heading out to HEB. Got the emptied milk jugs with me. Ooh. And it's quite cold outside, and I'm wearing biker shorts. I know. But at least it's sunny. Rocking the hat as always. Yeah, apparently it's going to be very cold the next 4 to 5 days. It's going to drop again to like the 20s, low 30s again. All right, guys, let's make the drive to HEB. Hopefully I should be home around 12:30. Give myself 2 hours to go there and back. That way I can come home and make some lunch. Okay, we are here. It is crazy packed, but I was lucky and I found a really close parking. Also, I'm very nervous because last time I went here with Alexander's family, my card, it didn't work. Nothing wrong with my card or with my bank. It's just, for some reason, it didn't work. So they paid for the groceries last time. And I'm just fingers crossed that my card works or that they accept Apple Pay. because it would be so embarrassing if I just go in line, they scan all those items, and I walk away with nothing. Super embarrassing. I am back home. Thank God my credit card went through. Luckily, they do accept Apple Pay, so now I know in case if anything like that happens again, I have Apple Pay. Let me show you guys a quick little HEB haul. So I got 4 packs of the mild taco seasoning. Again, I have never done tacos at home with this before, so hopefully it turns out good. Got some guac and some salsa down here. Sour cream, tortilla chips, Mexican cheese, fresh corn tortillas. I got 2 packs just in case one is not enough. I don't know how many are in here. Oh, I think there's 10 total. Okay, so there's 20 tortillas. Then we got some cucumbers. I got this little salami cheese pack for Alexander to take on the go. Mushrooms, little sweet tomatoes. 2 packs of the chopped Caesar salads. Got crunchy taco shells too, just in case I want to, like, you know, mix it up. Maybe do like half crunchy and half soft tacos. A few peaches. Back here we got some honey, a couple of these yogurt drinks for Alexander, his chocolate milk, Chobani yogurt for myself. We needed some more Tylenol. Pack of little cuties, 4 cuts of salmon, and then some chicken thighs. And that is everything I got from HEB. I'm going to put this up and make myself some lunch. It is currently about to be 12:30, so perfect timing. There was so many people there today. I was just so overwhelmed. I was kind of panicking inside, but I'm glad I made it out safely. Decided to take Menace on a walk. We all just had lunch, the boys and I. Newman's in the backyard sunbathing, and I am so full. I had some rotisserie chicken with rice and roasted carrots for lunch, and I feel really sleepy now. Food coma's kicking in, but I was like, you know what? It's a great day. Menace needs his walk, and I need to walk off this food. And it's always good to walk after you eat, right? So probably gonna do like a 25 minute walk. But yeah, lovely day. You know, gotta get in a walk before the weather drops again tomorrow. Back from our walk, I took a nice shower, much needed. I just felt really dirty, but whew, it's been a good Saturday so far, you guys. A package arrived. I did get a few things, which I'm really excited. 2 of them I won't show until down the road because they're actually gifts for my girlfriends, Christine and Anwar. They're like my 2 best girlfriends, and we're doing a Galentine's outing. I'll show you guys their gifts like in another vlog, but I want to show you guys what I got for myself because as you guys know, I have a couple of hydro jugs. I got one for Christine, I got one for my mom, I got one for Lucine. I am a hydro jug girl. They're the best, hands down. And they celebrated their 8th birthday this week, so they dropped a limited series of designs for their birthday collection, and everything was 20% off this whole week, so I had to grab one of them for myself. Okay, I was like, did they mess up my order? Let's see how this looks in person. It was literally sold out the next day. Well, the colors of mine and Anwar's sold out the next day. So I was happy that I got it the day that they launched it on their website. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for it? Ah, it's just a tumbler, but I get so excited. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is that, Menace? What is that? This is so cute. Oh my God. Look at this. It's their lavender checkered print. How beautiful is that? And it's a 32 ounce. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small. That's all I want to show you guys. I got a new tumbler and it's lavender. Purple's my favorite color. Hydro jug girly over here. So now I have 3 hydro jugs and 1 Stanley. 4 is enough, right? But I feel like 5 is a good number to have. Oh, it's so girly. I'm gonna use this next month for February. I rotate them every month. And right now I'm using the sage one. Love this color, by the way. This is like OG, baby. OG. I'm using it as a tripod right now. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. My new addition to my tumbler collection. Very fun. And it's a good size, 32 ounce. Because sometimes like the 40 ounce, like I love using the 40 ounce. I drink about 2 of those a day. But it's just so big sometimes. The 32 ounce is pretty good. Even the sports one is a 32 ounce, which I like. My nail's gonna match it, right? Oh! Okay. Enough showing it off. Here is dinner. The taco meat smells amazing. I also put this in the oven for 5 minutes because it says on the box for extra crunch, put it in the oven. So that's what I did. And then some tortillas right here. Chips, guac and salsa, a little bit of toppings for the taco. I got some red onions and some green onions down there, shredded cheese, tomatoes, and sour cream. So this is dinner, and I'll let you guys know how it is. All right, just finished dinner. I am so full. I ate a lot. I was a fatty. I had 6 tacos. And Alexander only had 3. You know what? It's okay. But I thought it was pretty good overall for like a homemade taco dish. Definitely a lot healthier than like going to Taco Bell or like Del Taco, all those type of taco places. What do you think of the tacos, babe?
They're like Taco Bell elevated.
To end our night, you guys remember those free drink cards that my mom got me for 7 Leaves for Christmas? These little things. The 1 free drink gift cards. I have 3 left. She gave me 6. So we're gonna go end our night and get some 7 Leaves, get us our free drink. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.